Um, for real tender. Good morning, sunflower. I'm quite confused. Let me just go on drive. I'm just quite confused that, like, I don't understand how people be in their feelings. You understand what I'm saying? And my thing is, cause Dewey, you block me, right? But I don't know if you throwing subs at me. But if you throwing subs, I don't do subs. You gotta talk direct, baby, and we could really have a conversation. Cause I said what I said. I don't never have to lie. But y'all niggas, y'all gotta be men out here. Y'all gotta stop. Y'all gotta stop being in y'all feelings and shit. You know what I'm saying? If I fucked you or I sucked you or I touched you a certain way, then you could be in your feelings. But in 1.5 miles, don't ever get in your feelings. Big up yourself, Onyx. Now I say hello to you too, Onyx, because you're a mellow woman. You
Mm?
think you're a mellow woman.
Okay, you know.
Yeah. Mellow, mellow, mellow. I always
No,
think
go back
somebody
to
I look for a
your
woman. So
subject
I
and
don't
low
want to say
my
hello to you
subject.
too tough. You understand, beautiful? So just go on with the road. You hear me? Yeah, so thank you. So I did my interview, but I'm just wondering, Dewey, I don't know if you throwing subs at me, nigga, in that last thing, because I want to talk about it. And you don't want me to start talking, because you know I talk real shit. So the best thing you could do, honestly, is just sit this shit out gracefully, because you really have no problem, no way to be mad, no way to be in your feelings. I said what I said. It is what it is. I did a good interview. Cause then they said pussy them I got flapping at them one show. Cause people have screenshot and send it to me. You understand? I don't know what you trying to say. You gotta articulate your words differently and talk to me direct. You know that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas act like the new bitches. Y'all looking for women to take care of y'all. Y'all in y'all emotions. Y'all lost. Y'all don't know what the fuck to do with yourselves. Just don't bring that energy over here. Because I think I keep it respectful. But when niggas try to play with me and I'm not playing with them, I'm going to have to put you in your place. I'm a real G. I could never get in my feelings over a pussy that I never touched. A pussy that was never promised to them. A pussy that I never smelled. That would be crazy. That's like me going over crazy over a dick that's not mine. You know how much times I ride a dick and I start falling in love with the dick because you know I'm going to love the dick first. As soon as I see that it really ain't mine, like I can't get it when I want it, I don't want that shit. That's why they say I love a nigga for 3 weeks. I love everybody. But gotta chill with the subs, my nigga, because I'm getting confused. When you got people asking me and sending me that shit like you throwing word at me, nigga, you gotta hit direct. Because I don't want to get into the nitty gritty. Because you're not about that life, nigga. You're really not about that life. Just go ahead and entertain the people. Get some songs like I told you. I already said don't get attached to nobody. Right now, what's up, Goody? Oh, you talking to Mello though. But what's like I said that to you weeks ago. Like focus on yourself. Don't get too caught up with anybody's name. You just was under one of the biggest names ever. You're always gonna be known as that person's husband. We are not the same. You know what I'm saying? No matter what bitch deal with you, you're gonna be known as that person's husband because that's how you branded yourself. And I told you weeks ago, yo, bro, don't even get attached to me. Brand yourself. Do your music the way I do. So for me, I trust some span. Just say it so we can just get festive and done. Because you talk about program, people program you all the time because you've been telling me, oh, people say you can turn for me. There's nothing for me and you to turn on, nigga. We really ain't into nothing. The fuck are you talking about? I seen you in a situation, but know some bitches can't fuck with me on the internet, and I stood my ground, which you seen that. Made niggas look at you in a different light, so I need to know if you subbing me. The only thing I did was turn around and really like your fucking friend. I fuck with that nigga heavy. He's a gentleman, and his dick is good. You understand what I'm saying? He really hold me down. You know what I'm saying? He really takes care of a bitch. You know what I'm saying? That nigga never asked me for money. You understand what I'm saying? Y'all niggas is running to Western Union and MoneyGram every day more than bitches. Listen, y'all don't Don't play with me, Dewey. So behave yourself. If anybody know you know me. Y'all niggas want to be in y'all feelings, bro. Y'all can't be in y'all feelings. He's a gentleman. He's a bad man gentleman. Come on. Yo, and that's what I'm saying. You know, sometimes you go around niggas. Like the last nigga that I was with, I met him through a friend, and the friend ended up turning on me, getting jealous. It happens all the time. But I'm just saying, in this case, nigga, you got a real friend, a real nigga that's holding your head back for you and shit. Cause you scared to go places by yourself cause of Queenie. So let's talk about that shit. You know what I'm saying? Cause me a bad gal, and nobody can make me run up and down. That's just a fact of a matter. In about 1 mile, turn right. Yeah, no, I'm delivering them. You know, that's just the fact of the matter. Nigga, you crazy? I fuck certain type of niggas. I'm solid. There's certain anybody who knew me knew it was a fucking. This is the first storyline I ever did in my life because I was feeling sorry for a nigga. So I need to know if he throwing words at me. He need to talk direct. Cause I'm not. I would never. I'm just that ass, nigga. The more I was around you, I realized I would never. I never play with you like that, nigga. You ain't never hear me say, yeah, I'm gonna fuck you. I'm gonna rub you down. You're gonna feel my throat. None of that shit. Never. So I need to know if you subbing me, nigga, after I just try to help you out in front of the world because you was running from a woman and shit. Yeah, she's a tyrant. Queenie is a motherfucking tyrant. You understand? She is a fucking tyrant. But she get mad. That's why I don't even get mad when y'all talk about, oh, mama, go do your work. So, mama, young got queen. I don't give a fuck. She's a tyrant, nigga, but I know I stand on my own. But you see when I deal with y'all niggas good and y'all try to play with me? Because I don't know why you and your... There's no... Fuck me. Say you want to block me. Fuck me. But why you block your friend? Because your friend was trying to, like... Nigga, you going on... If you going on fuckery, a nigga's supposed to be able to check you and let you know, like, you doing fuckery. That's what friends are for. If a friend see you doing fuckery, you're going to be like, yo, you need to fix up this or do that or ray. You understand? It is what it is. Niggas is on the phone 24/7 with that nigga. Like, I-75 North. You know? It is what it is. But I just need to know if you subbing me, Dewey, and let's go. Because I got a little time this week. I'm back home. I got a little time. Look, one thing with me, nigga. Pay attention. Look up to look at Nigga's interview. Pay attention to the reels. Let me show you how this shit work. Pay attention to the reels. Niggas put up the thing about me and Dewey, whatever, and Queenie. That shit only have 300K thing on it, right? Me talking about my throat, breathing through my ears have like 7, we almost like away from 250,000 views off of that shit. I don't need a fucking soul or clout, nigga. I am the clout. I know when to make how to make a room move. I know how to make niggas look at niggas in different lights. I know when to do what I want to do because I really don't give a fuck. Y'all niggas give a fuck about numbers. When I see a nigga want to sit down and you worried about numbers and clout, that's what you came into this industry doing. Me, bitch, I got real bills. I love money. I got to pay $17,000 to IRS. That's the bill. That's the shit that I work on. That's what the shit that I'm working on. I'm dying for them to audit and review and give me my money. I don't have time to play with y'all little motherfuckers. Like me, nigga, I'm not even gonna get into depth. I just need you to let me know if it's me you subbing, call name, or if I see another motherfucking sub, matter of fact, because it's me you're talking to. But that's not got to deal with your wicked. Because I never did nothing to you. The only thing I do is fuck your friend. Remember, some brawling. I belongs to nobody. I can't do whatever the fuck me want to do. I can't set who me I fuck. I can't set who me I touch. I can't say anything I want blood clot second. Nobody can program me. But you have to take program. You take program from a whole bunch of bitches. Because these bitches be desperate. These bitches be desperate out here. They really be paying for dick, nigga. Like, that shit is so disgusting to me. Like, I see bitches you running the Western Union every day, nigga. Nigga, I heard you say that you would fuck a bitch just to drive their car. I don't fuck with niggas like that. You crazy? But y'all know upside, I get it. I'm Y'all supplying these niggas. Man, nigga, I started crying to your friend. Cause I said, nigga, if these niggas ever call me a sugar mama, I'ma fuck them up. Nigga, fuck is wrong with you, nigga? Cartels group, Mexican niggas, those are the niggas I fuck with. They taught me principles over everything. A man is supposed to be a man. Y'all bitches wanted to grow up and be queens and princesses. I don't give a fuck if he watching from his fake page. He could have did it brawling and we could have had a conversation since he wanted those shots. You know what I'm saying? But like, y'all bitches wanted to grow up to be queens and princesses, nigga. I grew up to be Griseldo fucking Blanco, nigga. And then, you know what I did? And then I turned to suburban mom, nigga. Got out the fucking game, built. I know what it is to lose everything, nigga, without having to jump on the back of another. I don't even like my name attached to a nigga too long, nigga. And any nigga I post and say I fuck with, besides Dewey, you know it's fucking from the start. Come on. From I let a nigga come in my hold, he gotta be solid to some type of degree, even if I ain't gonna stay with him. Even if I want to move a nigga, he gotta be a solid type of nigga. You know what I'm saying? There's something in him. But what's him if I know say I bitch nigga? Come on, bro. Now you throwing subs at me? You throwing subs at me, Dewey? And then I want to know, fuck that. Because you know I'm kind of tight because I feel like you feel some type of way because you blocked your friend too, nigga. That nigga was holding your head back down. You made Queenie disrespect that nigga and that nigga held it down for you, bitch. That's why I'm mad too, nigga. Because Dewey, you're a pussy, bro. You're scared to go outside, nigga. You always have to call one of them niggas to go outside with you. That shit is weird, and I'm a bitch. Like, you don't want me to start talking. So what I was saying is, just let me know if you subbing me, nigga. You know the vibe. Remember, I don't have no emotional attachment to you. I'm not emotional. You were my friend. That's what I thought. You got in your bag when I started fucking with your friend. You started moving funny. We was watching you, bro. You started like you was catching the attitude. Remember the first time I flew down? You tried to tell on me, like when you knew I was with your friend, and you know you're gonna tell him, oh, the boss man is here, nigga, cock blocking, telling him about the other nigga. Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you, nigga? You think I've been wanting to talk about that shit? Oh, the boss man, damn. Yeah. Like, nigga, we ain't gonna fuck about that. I fuck who I wanna fuck, bitch. You over there wondering if your wife is hiding and fucking. Nah, me fuck brawling. When I fuck, I not fuck. Fuck wrong with you, nigga. Everybody know what type of niggas I fuck with, nigga. I got immaculate pussy. I could never give my pussy to a nigga like you. Are you crazy? Hey! Yo, Dewey, you try to snitch me out. You try to tell your friend about the boss man was in Jamaica, nigga. Like I wasn't gonna run my pussy anyway. When I told the boss man my husband was picking me up, nigga. All of a sudden, not nice now, talk about Momo, I mash up him and I'm friend. You really did feel some type of weird. Yo, y'all niggas is soft, nigga. I always come out on top. I always win. The fuck is wrong with y'all? Come on, Shani, you my niece. You know what she I had to lie to, like, yeah, I'm really with Dewey. Y'all niggas told me to shut the fuck up. Y'all ain't even believe me. Y'all know I don't fuck with niggas like that. First of all, I always say I don't like bleaching niggas. I feel like you bleach because you hate yourself. That's the real shit. Anybody that bleach, they hate themselves. You understand? I'm just saying. I don't give a fuck how y'all feel about that shit. I love the skin that I am in. But, Dewey, don't try to throw subs, nigga. Because here what? I don't give a fuck about me, but I go hard for mines. And as you know, your friend is mines now, right? It is what it is. It ain't no secret. So I don't like how you dealing with the situation. You could have cut me off and still be friends with that nigga, especially a nigga that hold your head back. Especially the nigga when you... Matter of fact, I ain't even gonna say nothing to you, nigga, because you got a nerve to sub niggas, because you subbing us, because you blocked us, right? Me and him. So you subbing us, but when niggas call you, you ain't got the energy on the phone, bro. I want you, come to America. That's why, your visa, you have your little visa there. And you come to America, you feel like you can shit on every post spot. Is that it? Huh? I don't understand. If you see your friend, I would think that you would want your friend to be. You always say, Momo, you're a good girl. I think you would all want your friend there with somebody. I remember say from the beginning when me all get in a trouble the day with you and Bumbuckler, Queenie Power and Pussy Clot life, you know. Remember the day, you know, when me up on a cash win, me did a blood clot talk to in the first place. A cash win, me say, do it, move out of the way, you're a married man, and in me a talk to, because I can't do that because I was entertaining. But you see how God work in mysterious way. He entertained me right in upon him order. And I love it there. And I'm sitting down there. And I'm not moving from there until I feel like to move. So the only thing I can say is, what, brother, you bad man, your friend? Me not like that. You think somebody that got hold my mouth and talk and you throw up subliminal messages after you know your feelings, but you're staying a late. If you have a man friend and your man friend, I tell you say, I correct your behavior, so you move like a blood clot, marba man. Sometimes you're moving like a marba man. There's a lot of times I look at you over and over again and said, niggas really think I would be with this nigga? I wanted to cry. I couldn't wait till this shit was done. But it's as soon as we get the hood, I'm really in a play with my real life. So in my real life, me, I said to myself, like, me really, I fuck with your friend. Me not don't play him. Then me start telling you, say, like, yo, we are going to do one song, me, you and him. Like, hear you as a bad man pussy a lot of day. Yeah, me a talk now. Let me tell you as a bad man pussy now. Let me tell you what you do a bad man the other day when we get quiet by you. That's why I never tell you when me I come at Jamaica. Oh, suck my dick, nigga. I'm turning around. Let me tell you, when you looked at me and said, oh, no matter how you put up cash in, the people them not taking. It's not for the people them to take him. I really fuck with that nigga. So it's nothing for him to take. Continue on to I know nothing for him to take. Then the destination is on your right. I know nothing for him. I know nothing for him to. It wasn't nothing for him to for the internet to take. I really like that nigga. And I just feel like you got in your feelings because I really like that nigga. I never played with you on the phone. Most of the time we're always in group chat with Not Nice and everybody else. When we talking about the next move, what I'm gonna do. Like when I put up the other day that I'm gonna say you blocked me and nigga, I was acting like a yam head nigga. I was acting like y'all bitches do. I learned from y'all yam head bitches on the internet because I could never. Then I seen where they helped me out. I didn't even have to do much. They put the video of me crying for my man, said I was crying for Dewey. That shit was funny as fuck. I wanted to run up on y'all niggas that thought I would be crying over Dewey. Are you fucking dumb? And y'all ate that shit up. I hate y'all niggas. I hate every one of y'all niggas.